So we have come to Brecon Beacon National Park, and there is 4 waterfalls. You might be able to hear in the background some running water behind me. So we just came down some, definitely a very natural built path, which I can imagine if it's really heavy rain that could turn into like a little mini waterfall. So we've come here today to have a little walk around and see the 4 waterfalls that are located in this national park. So yeah, I will show you around of this area. Very fast down there. That I just shown you beforehand, but I don't know why someone would think about going down that hole. Who knows? But yeah, don't do it. So this is a car park that we are currently at, but there are a couple, well, there's actually only 2. I thought there was more. Well, actually no, 3, 1 there. So these are the 4 waterfalls that I was telling you about, which we're going to go and find. But if you do come here, you're looking at quite a few hours walk, but I'm sure it's going to be definitely worth it.
It's almost like a step up, but they want you to climb up. They definitely, no entry, but you put steps up. Big old wild animals come out of that cave,
I don't know if you can hear me, but if you can see up there was definitely like a landslide at some point that happened, and all these trees have fallen into the river. Wow. Oh. Go on then. Right, my turn. Quickly. Let's go. So there was, like, obviously where we were just a minute ago, there's a path that goes all along, but it's literally right on the river.
Hold on.
But it looks like it used to go this way.
And it looks like now.
Yeah, it looks like you now climb up here, but the path you can just about see here. Obviously now where all the water is, but yeah. So it looks like we're climbing up this way instead of probably going through the original route this way. So off we go. Walking along. Obviously this tree was standing once upon a time, but not being funny. There's a lot of tree on one bit where obviously there was one where there's water. But we shall go on. So as you probably saw yesterday, the bridge that we wanted to go on, which was a drawbridge, we couldn't go onto because they were due to do maintenance. So this area actually has a bridge which I'm sure Perry's very happy about, because he obviously wanted to go on the one yesterday. So this is a bridge that we're going to be going over. We just got a little obstacle again first before. You're right there. I'd say go that way. Go on.
Yeah, when you look here, it throws you off.
So we just came across a guy with his 2 dogs, and the way that we went, he said that area is closed. And if you can see from obviously the previous like footage, that way is quite dodgy, because a lot of the path is kind of either missing, or there is obviously a lot of water that you have to try and jump over. But obviously it's still walkable, but you just got to be very careful walking that way. So he told us not to go over the bridge because he said it's literally ends up taking you back to a dead end. So we've walked across it, so like we've walked across a bridge, but he went this way and he told us this is the best way to go towards the waterfalls. So up here, so that's where we came from, which he said he recommends is a no-go area, as it is a bit risque. So we are going to go this way, and yeah, we'll see where the path takes us.
How that bit of water seems to be different colours. Look,
Yeah.
so you've got clear water, a little bit brown and very brown. I wonder why. Or maybe it picks up all the chalk, the clay.
The waterfall number 1.
Well, they could put a bit of fence there, I'm thinking.
Yeah, be careful when you go this way.
Don't go any closer than that. foaming.
So I don't know if you can hear me very well. I'll find out when I watch this back later. So we have reached the where there's two waterfalls next to each other. So as you can see behind me, that's one of them. That's like the second part of it. The first part is up that direction, which we are going to be going to in a sec. But yeah, we've gone. This is the bottom, well, the second part of it, which is here. So this is the last pathway down to the final of the 4 waterfalls. Apparently this one you're actually meant to be able to walk under, so fingers crossed we can do that. So off we go.
I can see how people would get under it, because you can go under there.
Yeah, but it's getting over there.
I'm getting wet just standing here.
So we're going. This is the waterfall behind us. We're gonna. Just 2 guys have just come from underneath it, so they were drenched. So we're gonna go and give it a go. Don't know how this is gonna work out, but let's see. So we are on the walk back. As you can tell, we kind of did go through the waterfall. I think I am a little bit more wet than what Perry is. I kind of did stand over it and pretend like I was having a shower. So yeah, I probably got a bit more wet than him. But so we are now going to go back on our walk towards the car park now. But it's probably still going to be another like few hour walk, but I'm sure it'll be worth it. But yeah. This is the view down. It's a bit, it's quite misty, so it's a bit gloomy, but it's been a fun day. Well, where are we going? Or we'll just get lost. Will be the other option. But yeah, we're just going to try and find the car, however that will go. Yeah, we're walking back.